A very warm welcome to all the students who have joined Teachers Law College for the year 2022 to 25. So today we'll be discussing how we will take through across the next journey of 3 years. So here we'll be discussing today what are the rules of the university, what we expect from the student, how to write answers in your exams, what does university expect from the student. So basically we follow the rules made by our university. So going ahead, I would like to introduce about myself. I have done my BA LLB from Symbiosis Pune in the batch 2006 to 11 in Pune. Thereafter, I pursued my master's from National Law School of India University from 2012 to 14. I have been director at Teachers Law College since 2017. I have been in charge for admissions and administration in the law college. Presently, I'm also practicing advocate. I'm legal advisor for 9 resident welfare association, totaling around 10,000 apartments. My major expert area is resident welfare association. I also belong to the law firm associates, NR Naik and Associates, wherein my father NR Naik is the senior of this law firm. We have 10 plus advocates, and my father is the president of our law college. We have been running the college past 18 years. Since 2004 the college started. So coming to the truth of your law degrees. So many of you have come with a dream that you want to be a successful lawyer, or you have been inspired from here and there that you want to pursue. The truth is, just by having this degree you cannot be a successful lawyer, because you need to gain additional practical skills to be a successful lawyer. Can this degree what you obtain, no matter you have degree from any law college also, it is all the same degree. This degree is just a license for you to become a lawyer and to practice law. But to become successful in this career, you need to have separate skills, practical knowledge. You need to have drafting knowledge of different types of cases. You need to have drafting skills for different areas of practice. You need to, with this drafting knowledge, drafting skills, and the applicable law, you will gain that confidence. With that confidence, you will attract the clients, because the clients, when they come for you, they also test you what is your knowledge about the subject matter and what can be the possible outcome. Now, an experienced advocate will obviously tell it through his experience. But when we are practicing law, we should involve ourselves in the practice area. Maybe, yes, every day it is not possible. Maybe in the weekends or in the evenings, you join any in a advocate office in your neighborhood. Learn some court language, how the files are filed. Because this 3-year degree, what you do, you are using it to spend to become a lawyer for the next rest of your life. See, so in this aspect, I have to tell you that many have a dream that just become having a law degree will suffice. No, 80% of students who pass out of law schools do not come to practice, because they do not invest their time in the practical knowledge part. So I always advise you, always go look out for internships, advocates, and try to gain as much practical knowledge, because tomorrow when companies approach our college for placements and all, they ask us to supply such kind of students who have had exposure in the practice area. So we can refer such students only when they have internship certificates, they have practical drafting skills, analytical skills, client counseling skills. Only then this degree will become a useful tool for you when you pass out of a law school. We are the only law college in entire Bangalore where we have made visible efforts to bridge this practical knowledge part, because we have our own law firm. For the past 36 years, we have been running. We have practice in um all areas of law. We have 10 plus juniors. We request all students to utilize all the skills we have gained through the past 36 years of our office experience. Visit our office, and also we encourage students every week, whenever there is some important arguments or any cross examinations happening in the courts, we tell students to join such sessions, so that you gain that practical knowledge. And we also tell our students to look into the files of our clients, so that you learn that language of how to draft a case. So this way we try to give the practical edge to students, because we want students not just to have a degree. We are satisfied only when you make a career out of this degree you are learning from our college. So for this, we try to do maximum efforts, and every weekend we are conducting seminars. We have already some recorded 50 plus videos on our YouTube channel is available. Please check all those videos whenever you get time. Whenever you're driving, listen to those videos. At least initially you may not understand, but slowly when you catch hold of such words in daily usage, you will understand many of the things what we are speaking. Initially, the words, the legal words what we use, uh, you may have to Google search and try to know the meaning. This way you try to bridge yourself about the practical knowledge, because the degree you do will come for your usage only. Hardly 5 or 10% of the subjects you study will come in usage when you come for your practice. So remaining, the court practice is totally different, the drafting style is totally different. You need to at least have a habit once in a week, visit to any one of the court, see, observe the procedure, how the judge is passing our judgments, how is passing order, what are the arguments made by the advocates. You should learn through observation. So law is more of a knowledge you gain through observation. Rote learning, book learning, it does not matter even if you are a topper in the university. But when it comes to practice, you need to have networking skills, socializing skills, communication skills. Very important when you come to practice. So now let's talk about the rules of our university. So our university has an attendance percentage of 70% attendance during classes is mandatory as per our university. And internal test has to be conducted, and anybody is absent for internal test, we have to mark them absent. And we are very strict with any ragging or any indisciplined behavior with women or teachers. We are taking strict action any for any indiscipline. So coming to the exam rules. So please understand that you need to pay semester exam fees for every semester. Even if you do not pay the fees for backlog exam, still you are required to pay the semester exam fees. Why? Because uh, sometimes what happens, you may miss the deadlines for payment of fees. In that, the consequences, you will have to repeat the entire year. Suppose you do not pay the exam fees for first semester exams or second semester exams, uh, even if you do not pay exam fees in second sem also, then you will have to repeat the entire year again. In that scenario, you will have to retake the admission from first year. Suppose you do the same mistake in second year, then you will have to take admission for second year from fresh. So never ever miss on payments of exam fees. So how much do you need to score to pass in a subject? So 80 marks will be your uh, external paper for which university conducts exams. Out of 80, you need to score compulsorily 32 marks. and 20 marks will be conducted through college by way of internal test, assignment, viva. So internal test will have 10 marks, viva will have 5 marks, assignment will have 5 marks. So it is very important you score total 40 marks out of 100 marks to pass. But out of 80 marks, the minimum marks to pass in a subject you have to score is 32. If you miss your internals, in such a scenario, you will be required to score 40 out of 80. And if you are a very average scoring student, it will become very difficult for you to pass that subject. So do not miss on the deadlines of internal tests, deadlines on assignment submissions, or deadlines on viva. So it is very important you score 40 out of 100, 32 out of 80, and 8 out of internals. If you miss your internals, you'll be required to score 40 out of 80. So backlogs, can I carry? Is there a carryover system that I need to pass only minimum number of subjects to go to next year? There is no such rules. You can just pay exam fees for every semester, write all backlogs in 6 semester. Even if you do not pass in any of the subjects, you still get additional 2 years, 3 plus 2 years to finish passing your exams. But do not have a relaxed attitude that I will write in later years. Do not have the attitude that if I fail, that I will be shamed in front of all my students. If you fail, you learn a lesson, but always give an attempt, because it will add to your experience of writing the paper again. So do not, even if you're not prepared also, even if you have the fear that I will fail, but still come and give the exams, because it will prepare you next how to write the exams. And writing habit is very much important, because many students have joined college after a lot of gap, after they're doing their degree after several years. Many have lost touch with their writing habits. Every day, whenever possible, at least make a habit to write minimum 5 pages per day, because during exam times you are required to write minimum 35 to 40 pages during 3 hours of exam. I think they give a booklet of 38 pages or 48 pages in that booklet, because the maximum you write, you have better chances to pass. More than our past examples, students who have written more than 28 to 35 pages, they are definitely passing. Students who have written very less than within 25 pages to 20 pages, it is very difficult for them to pass. So because many are not in writing habits, after many years you are coming to write exams, at least make an effort from now on, because exams will be in the month of April. At least now on, be prepared to spend the 3 hours and write minimum 30 to 35 pages in 3 hour duration of exam, so that your hands are fit to write that minimum required number of pages. And the last moment, because you can learn anything, but writing is a different art. And good handwriting is also one of the very important aspect when you are writing exams. Good handwriting will fetch you very good marks. And what is your understanding about the subject knowledge is expected during the exams. You need not write many sections, and if you are not remembering the name of the cases, it is not mattering. But only thing is what you have understood about the subject knowledge. And uh, and all, even if you are not able to write the section name, you can just reproduce in a particular section, the law said is so and so. In a particular case, the law said is so and so. Try and make the examiner understand what you have understood from the subject. This is all what is expected during answer writing exams. So college, we have our own rules. We expect student to pay the fees on time, because the fees you pay, we have to pay all the salaries, and we have deadlines to meet for payment of Bar Council of India, university, and all those things. We are a private college. We are not funded by any government, so we expect students to pay the fees on time. And we also expect student to submit assignments on time as decided by teacher, because they're also burdened with second and third year student assignment and internal test corrections. And we cannot work on your comfort zone, on your time zones, because we request you to respect all teachers time and their efforts in communication with you. And we also request you to communicate back with us when you have any issues or problems, so that we can resolve it from our end. And also we expect you to communicate back with us when teachers communicate with you, so that we have a smooth flow of work and arrangement of all the classes, assignments, and tests. So deposit of original documents. Now next month, our college will be given a date for verification of original documents of all documents with the university. After this verification, all the original documents will be in college custody till all the 3 year is finished. The only reason being that students should not go and do a double degree at the same time. So legally it is not permissible to do a double degree at the same time. So every student has to do the same degree. So the original documents will be in college custody. This is one reason. Second reason is we expect student to pay all the 3 year fees and complete the degree course. We want to give the best service possible, best practical knowledge possible from our end. We want to give the best possible educational knowledge from our end. So we welcome you all to this new batch, 2022 batch. And I hope everybody, we all work together and make a wonderful atmosphere for every one of us. And we coordinate well together. And we hope that all 60 students who have joined, we pass with beautiful marks, wonderful marks at the end of third year. And I hope all students communicate well with us and get the maximum support system from us, so that you have a better atmosphere and you have a better range of knowledge compared to other law college students. So I thank you once again. I would like to share the next presentation with Amrita madam. She will be teaching you how to write assignments and assignments. So I will hand over it to Amrita madam. Amrita, you're there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
I'm making you host. You can share the screen 1 minute here.
I think
Yes.
it is coming. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it is visible.
So, yeah. Good morning. Good morning to everyone present here. And introduction has been done by the Abhilash sir. I am Amrita Anand. I will be taking your constitutional law classes, which we have already begun with. And today I am sharing with you about the assignment, how you are going to write the assignment, what are the format that we follow for the assignment. And as told by the Abhilash sir, 20 marks is for internal, out of which 5 is assignment. Viva will be based on your assignment and 10 marks for your internal test. And we all lecturers request you all to give internals so that it helps you in getting better marks for your external exams as well. Okay, now coming forward. See, this is the pattern. This is the front page for the assignment. Okay, it should have the subject, with subject assignment you are submitting, what is the topic for the assignment. Now, when it comes to the topic of the assignment, lecturers will provide you with the topics for your assignment. It might be same for few, or it might be different altogether. Now, these topics will be provided to you during your classes. You can also ask your lecturer to give you the topic, okay, and most likely the topics will be provided to you by December, so that you are prepared, you have done all your assignment, research, and everything ready before you submit, before you write your internal test. Okay, now this is the college name, the college code, year, submitted by, first semester, and your registration number, the college address. So this is the first page. This is the declaration, that is the second page of your assignment. You can see here, it's basically nothing. Again, the registration number, name, the subject, semester, college code, and the topic of your assignment. And a declaration that whatever you have written in your assignment is your own work. See, you can take help from different books, you can take help from different sources, but then assembling together should be your own work. It should not be copied by any other. This is the table of content. Now see, your assignment must have the first page, declaration, table of content, bibliography. These are some factors which are really important for your assignment, and you are marked on those basis. So be very careful. Another thing is writing part. Yes, of course, writing matters a lot. The topic is given to you, like as you can see here, the fundamental rights, Article 21, prisoner's right. Stick to your topic. Don't deviate yourself from the topic. At the max, you can write about 30 pages. But then try to be with the topic throughout your assignment. So this is the index, where introduction, the body of your assignment, conclusion, and bibliography, which is again very important. Now, conclusion is your own, what you have understood from the assignment, what conclusion you have drawn by going through the research work that you did for your assignment. So it should not be copied. It should be in your own words, your own opinion on the topic that you have been assigned. Bibliography is again very important. Now you can see how it's written. It should be clear. You cannot use red pen. But yes, highlighting your points are again very important. It should be well highlighted so that it attracts the lecturer's eye. Because, you know, it's difficult to read word to word, but when it's highlighted, we go through it, and yes, that is what is advantage for you. So you can see this, how well written it is, so clear, well formatted, and most importantly, the assignment should be in your own handwriting. It should not be typed or a printout. It has to be in your own handwriting. I repeat again. Now, depending on the topic that is given to you, you need to mention the case laws. Now, case laws again form a very important part of your assignment, and it's very important. We will be doing case law studies in the class also. And, you know, you need to mention the name of the case law. You can briefly mention about the facts and what was the judgment given in that case, supporting your topic. Is it clear? I hope you are able to get about the assignments. It should be well written. You can see here there are 3 case laws given here, depending on the topic. Yes, you can mention as much as you know, you are aware of it. Because your viva can be on the case laws as well. So keep this in your mind as well. You can see here for every topic, here the case law is being mentioned. Every topic is well highlighted, well written, well marked. Now this is a conclusion, which forms important section of your assignment. You can see here, conclusion is what is the opinion of who is writing the assignment. And bibliography. Books you have consulted, different websites you have referred to, or any other source you need to mention in your bibliography. So any doubt regarding the assignment part?
Yeah, ma'am, it has to be on blue paper. It looks like a blue paper on screen.
No, it's normal A4 size
White
paper.
paper.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's A4 size paper. Anything else?
This is assignment, right, ma'am?
This is assignment, yes.
Yeah. How often we'll have this?
Assignment you have to write once for one semester.
Okay.
Every subject will have an assignment.
Yes.
Every
It's like
subject
every
has-
subject, and every subject assignment you have to submit in college, you will be marked separately for each of your subjects for the internals. And as I told you, 10 marks for your assignment, 10 marks for your internal test, 5 for your assignment, 5 for your viva. Now viva will be based on your assignment. That's the reason I tell each of my students to write your assignment, to do well research, so that you are ready to face the viva. Your topics will be given from your subject. It will not be outside your subject. Whatever is in the syllabus, topic will be from there. See, you have 5 units, right? And question pattern for your external is so that from each unit, you have to answer 2 questions. So it's like the assignment topic will be so that, you know, once one unit at least you cover. So it will be helpful for you. And also I would like to add, like, since Abhilash sir also said, you know, joining after a long time, you lost the writing habit, correct? This assignment, the purpose of writing assignment in your own handwriting is basically the practice for that. So that you have that habit to write. And that's the reason we all lecturers urge all the students to write in your own handwriting. I hope I have made the assignment, how to write the assignment, very clear. The front page will be, I will be sharing you so that, you know, you can get it printed when you submit your assignments. Anything else I can help you all?
Ma'am, that blue tick we have to collect from office, no? College?
What? The front page?
The second one.
Second page is for declaration?
That declaration.
Blue book one, sorry.
Blue book. Blue book is for
Actually,
your...
ma'am, actually in the WhatsApp group, Ambika ma'am has posted one blue page which says Mangal's blue book internal assignment. I think the question is in reference to that.
Yeah.
That blue book is for internal test actually.
Internal test, yes.
Okay.
That book you
Okay,
will be
that's
required to write
That's
test.
separate. That you don't have to bother about that, because for your internal test, the blue book will be given by the college to you write your paper.
And front page you are giving, ma'am. We no need
Front
to.
We'll
page
share that
sample I
PDF.
provide you,
Yeah.
because I want a standard format from all of you. There should be no deviation from the, you know, format. So, you know, a sample paper I will share in the WhatsApp group. You can check there. Okay, but yes, do make the necessary changes, because topics will be different for each student. Name will be different, registration number will be different. It's just that the college code, college address will be same. Otherwise, all you need to change. So be careful when you are taking the printout. When I share the sample. Anything else?
And registration number will get from university, ma'am, is it?
Yes, yes, yes. Once college receives it, college will provide you with it.
After before first semester exams, there is one more OCR sheet, OMR sheet to be filled up. Once you fill that sheets and it is submitted to university, university will generate registration numbers.
Okay, sir.
ID cards will be given in next semester based on your registration numbers. College ID cards.
Okay. Sir, are you recording the session now?
Yes, I have. It is recorded. Yeah.
Okay. Anything else you want to know?
One more thing about, I think, Amrita, we will not share the assignment topics today for the reason
Yes,
because
sir.
we have to divide the students into 5 units. So 12
Correct.
student per unit. So because you students, when you attend Viva of other students, you will also get the knowledge of every unit explaining by other student also.
True. So that's what I told, like the topics will be provided to students by December.
Sometimes some student may not be attending certain lectures and he is missing out on certain topics, and that same topic is discussed by some student in during Viva, so that student gets some information from the Viva.
Yes, correct, sir. So the topics will be given to them by December, sir. And yes, that's the motive, sir, that each and every student should attend the Viva, should participate in the Viva, so that even if they have missed any lecture, or they have been not focused for any particular topic, or they have any doubt, that will be cleared when anybody else explains it accordingly. So yes, we all request you all to attend the Viva, even if it's not your, attend all the sessions so that you have the better understanding of the subject. And not only this,
Yes.
this will also help you to write your internals, because we try to finish off with the Viva before you write your internals. So that, before you write your internals, it's kind of a revision that has been done in the course of Viva. So Viva assignment, even though it's of the 5 mark, it matters a lot. And as sir has presented you, if you miss to give your Viva assignment or internal, then you'll have to score 40 out of 80. Now see, KSLU is very tough. They do very tough marking. So be cautious on this, okay? And try to give your assignment, Viva, internals, make them also a priority, okay?
Madam, is the Viva and internals none on the same day?
No, it's not on the same day. They will be on the different days.
Okay.
Sir, I think all is clear from my side. So we can proceed ahead.
We can introduce other lecturers about their subjects. Shika Bhatnagar, is she here? Okay. Lakshmi, you can introduce yourself. Venkatesh, you can introduce yourself.
Yeah, yes, sir. I think, anyway, first, welcome all of you. Myself, I'll just introduce you. I'm Lakshmi. I think some of you know, already know, because we already started our classes, and also some of the students, maybe you know me. Anyway, I'm myself, Lakshmi. And this semester, I'm just taking the subject Law of Thought. And anyway, regarding the assignments and all, Amrita ma'am shared the screen and she explained it very well. I think now all of you know how to write the assignments and all. For the almost all the subject, that will be the pattern to write the assignments. So the topics in the coming classes, we will share the topics and all. So based on the topic, assigned topic, you can start to write your assignment, and we try to keep the same format for all the subject, and what is sir, okay. Anyway, that same pattern you can go and try to write neatly, and it should be a handwritten copy. The sorry, sir. I think something is in mute or something. Sir, lots of echo is there.
Venkatesh, please mute yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lakshmi, you can continue.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Okay, anyway, the model how to write the assignments is already shared, or based on that one, you can start to write your assignments once the topics, when you get the topic. The next month, most probably all the teachers will provide you the topics for your assignments and all. And what if in case when you are writing the assignments or for understanding any topics at any time, you can contact with me or any other teachers also, and we will support all of you for in your class, and as well as for writing the assignments and all. And all the best to all students, and in case if you need any support, you can contact us at any time. Then thank you all.
Venkatesh, sir, you can.
Yeah.
You can.
Can you hear me? Good
Yes,
morning,
sir.
all. Yeah, good morning, all. So I'm taking IPs here. So I started a given introduction class. So here you have to write research method. So because almost from previous year also, the students are keep writing the choosing from guide or any other books. Directly they are writing. So please avoid these things. So just you try to make out searching at things. So because you have a many materials, so from books or any other materials, especially you have a legal books like a AAR, KCCR, and any legal reviews which were uploaded in online also. So take from that, and if any have any doubt, just you call me anytime. So because we are ready to give a suggestion anytime. So because don't hesitate anytime. So because even those who are writing in Kannada, especially, so those also can you approach how to write assignment. So because especially for Kannada medium student, if anyone joined in this group, so because they feel very difficulty to find out materials, so that also we can arrange.
Thank you,
So and also I'm share all your assignment topics in coming weeks.
Thank you, sir, for IPC. As you know, as you will be taking
Yes, yes.
IPC class for us. Will you help us with notes as well, or we have to take notes as you speak?
Yeah, your wish. So because you required any case laws, I can explain you. Case laws are definitions. So you can take a notes also.
There is one more teacher, Shika Bhatnagar. I think she's not well and she's unwell. She'll be joining from 27th and she'll be taking Hindu law. Aglambika madam, are you there? Venkatesh sir, idre alli heli.
One second.
Hello. Hello. Good morning, everyone. Myself Naglambika. I am taking you law of contract. I will started already class. Hello.
Madam, heli.
Hearing you, ma'am.
Okay. I will explain. I will send you in the group blue book that is for test purpose. Test should be conducted by 10 marks. First long question should be for 7 marks. We will give you 2 question. Choice is there. 1 question for 7 marks and another short question we will provide you. That is for 3 marks. That is also one choice is there. You should attend that question also. And assignment, all those things explained by Amrita madam. Okay, any doubts? You can call me or message me. I will answer you. Wish you best of luck for your exam and test, all those things. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam.
So
Any doubt regarding assignment and test paper, you can ask me in the class.
So I hope all
Yes,
students are clear with the academic calendar. April will be your first semester exams. October, November will be your second semester exams. So hope we have loaded all the required materials to start the journey for our legal career. So more than a law degree, you should make a career out of this degree. This is what we want to train you for. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.